my name is Bjorn Hazaman, and I will be demoing the solver project URL cronjob today. So this is just very short. Made this cronjob that then runs on the cluster, and it should make one job daily. And if you look at the logs at the end, it should print out the name of the repository and then all of the repositories it has extracted from those solver documents. So yeah, it can find GitHub and GitLab URLs. Yeah, it's just a very short, quick demo to show how it works.
And then it just puts that information in the database? Or...
Currently, it's only outputting it to standard output, or if we provide a file, it also write it down.
Are these URLs sorted somehow?
Yes. Based on they're sorted based on first we want to look at a key called the homepage key, or like from the metadata field. There's different areas where the project URL can come from. So there's this one key called the homepage, which usually has like a GitHub URL, but sometimes has something else. And then second priority would be another key called project URL key, project URLs, which would include other URLs too. So yeah.
Okay. Are there any questions? So in short, the cronjob goes through solver documents, which state metadata of packages and extract URLs to GitHub or GitLab. And this extraction is based on priority from where this URL is extracted.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. Thanks, Björn.
Thank you.